Hi, this is Nathan Briner with the True Balance Transformation Center. In this video, we're going to be using a block to help further understand the mechanics of the hips in forward bends. We'll start with a block, narrow, and up at the top of the legs. And you see I've walked my feet in, so I feel a very good connection to the block. Not a crushing connection, but a good connection to the block, so I can feel my inner thighs connected there. We want to have a little bit of extra of the block forward of the thighs so we have something to push on to encourage the legs to begin that rolling action. I'll start from the front so you can see this way, and then we'll do one from the side. I'm taking a little dip into forward bend. I place one palm and then the other palm on the front of the block. And then I gently begin to push the block as though I'm trying to press it out of the backs of the legs and feel what happens. Undo it a little bit and redo. Push the block, and what we start to feel is the fronts of the thighs begin to roll in. The backs of the thighs begin to roll out. Hamstrings roll from inside out. The quadricep side rolls from outside in. And we'll stand up and try one more time. Pitch forward, palm on palm. Press the block through the tops of the legs and feel the thighs inwardly spiral. And as we practice this, we want to begin to teach the thighs to do that spiral on their own. We call that the inward spiral. From the side view, again, you can see that there's a little bit of block forward of the legs. I come forward with a long, straight back. That is important. We don't want to come into this like this, or that actually does the opposite of what we're looking for. Long, straight back, palm on the block, and pressing the block slowly so I can feel the thighs or the groins, the inside edge of the legs, moving straight back. I feel the fronts of the thighs rolling in, as we talked about, the femur rolling medially. And the backs of the thighs broadening, hamstring area, buttock bone area broadening. And we can see then the net result of this at the pelvis. If you watch here, as I press the block through and get the proper thigh rotation, the pelvis begins to roll in a forward bending type direction. So I recommend practicing this until you can really feel the movement of the thighs and therefore then the movement of the pelvis to create a concert of movement into forward bending. We'll practice this a little bit more in the next video.